Stop everything! Amazon just dropped a free AI coding tool that might destroy Cursor and Windsurf. Built in Cloud for Sonnet, planning system, and insane AI power. This is the Kiro, and it's next level. Watch till the end to see how it works. Now question is, what is Kiro AI ID? Amazon quietly dropped an AI ID that could shake up the whole dev world. There is a new AI ID called Kiro, and it's actually built by Amazon. It's designed as a VS Code based AI ID like Cursor or Windsurf, but cleaner and more smoothing like Tray. Yes, it's fork of VS Code, so it's feel instantly familiar. You will love how it merges AI with your daily workflow. If you have used VS Code before, this will feel like an upgrade from the future. Before we jump in, smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't yet. So now question is, how can I download and use Kiro? But as of right now, Kiro are kind of so huge popular, and there is a hot topic. That's the reason lots of people or lots of users, they are fighting for download, and that's the reason you have to actually join in waiting list. So yep, and then you can actually join in waiting list, and then they will notify and they will say in the notification, bro, you can right now download the Kiro application. Okay, so maybe you don't want to actually wait much more times. Maybe within one day they will notify you for download. You can download it. Look at this. This is a Kiro login interface. So as a beginning time, you can log with Google's GitHub and AWS. So right now I will log in with GitHub. After login using GitHub, then say this like input configuration. Okay, like input from VS Code configuration. No, I will escape it, and then choose the theme. Which themes I could choose? I will choose dark theme. After that, set the shells. Okay, done it. They actually take time. Woo, cool. Right now I can properly set up. Like install process, I want to say this one thing. Install process is so simple. Just when you actually get notification from Kiro, just you want to download, and then after download, so this time you actually click on next. So this is not a big deal. Okay, so after click on next, after installations, you will see this interface. Imagine telling your IDE what to build, and it just does it. You get a powerful feature called vibe coding. Just ask the AI agent to do something, like implement a feature, and it gets the job done using its built-in tools. It's smooth, responsive, and ideal for fast development and prototyping. You won't believe how fast it builds a real feature. Keep watching. So now let's talk about Spec mode. Planning your code before writing. This IDE makes it automatic. This mode is like Cline or RooCode planning system. You ask Kiro to plan your implementation, list the task, system design, etc. It generates markdown file, plan files, then uses to build use feature step by step. No more scattered nodes. This thing's structure you develop perfectly. Oh, Cloud for Sonnet power, no cost, no limit. That's unheard of. Kiro is completely free right now since it's in preview. New users caps, and you get full access to Cloud for Sonnet. Just sign in and you are ready to go. Tools like this rarely stay free. Watch till the end before it's paid. It's like a VS Code, but with superpower. Kiro still give you access to all the basics, extension, source control, etc. You can install like the Cline, RooCode, Code, and more. Plus, Kiro tabs gives you control over everything. Its specs, hooks, settings. It's like upgrading your IDE to versions 2.0 of the future. This IDE writes documentations automatically. Yes, seriously. Hooks are the one of the most unique features. They let you create a AI agent that triggers automatically when something happens, like a file being created. Example, a documentation bot that updates your docs on file changes. Trigger them by time, event, or file activities. Dev automations fans, this your dreams come true. Control exactly how the AI works with no complex settings menu. As in steering, so let's you set custom behavior rules for your agent. You can set up MCP server directly. No need to search advanced setting. It's all organized, simple, and super powerful for advanced users. Let's test the vibe coding in action. Let's test if this AI can actually build something useful. We loaded To-Do app and gave Kiro this prompt. Add a light dark theme toggles and make it work. It gives you the choice between Claude 3.7 and Claude for Sonnet, and even has an autopilot mode. No approval needed. It completed the task cleanly and fast. This worked properly, bro. This vibe coding are kind of so awesome. Let's create an AI that reacts when a file changes in second. When into the Kiro tab, click at add new hook. Type what you wanted in a plain language and it will be boom. It built it. You can still manually edit the hook if you want. This might be the fastest automation setup you will ever use. It's like having a smart project manager and a coder in one app. You can manage everything in one place. MCP, hooks, agent rules. The UI is friendly, clean, and not intimidating at all. From planning to automations, it's all super smooth. If they manage pricing and performance, this cute rival cursor wins surf easily. Honestly, this might be the next big IDE. No exaggeration. If you found this awesome, hit the like and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about Kiro. Was it better than your expectations? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one with more crazy AI tools. Smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't yet.